pottery studio and art workshops in tourist Mecca, Maleny, Sunshine Coast, Queensland. Nestled in the stunning Sunshine Coast hinterland, Raw Earth Clay Shed offers a unique blend of artistic expression and collaborative ventures. The diversified revenue streams make it a compelling prospect for entrepreneurs seeking a creative and dynamic business venture. Business growth has been remarkable, going from generating $20,000 in the initial months to over $120,000 the following year. The existing business model comprises a pottery studio used for workshops, courses, hen parties, Christmas parties, and more. Boasting prominent Main Street frontage in the artistic tourist town of Maleny, the studio offers easy accessibility for customers. The unique concept draws a diverse audience of all ages and skill levels from across southeast Queensland. Currently trading 3 days a week, the premises include a commercial kitchen with potential to introduce a cafe. Future town enhancement plans by council will increase accessibility and foot traffic to the Raw Earth Clay Shed. There is also unexplored potential to provide services to NDIS, homeschool-based families, and schools. The new owner is in an advantageous position to continue expanding and delivering high-quality pottery workshops to a growing audience.